From underground physics laboratories spanning entire cities to mechanical spiders weighing as much as houses, here are 7 incredible machines you wouldn't believe existed. 7. La Princesse Mechanical Spider. A giant mechanical spider, 15 meters tall, weighing 37 tons, crawling through city streets with lifelike movements that'll make your jaw drop. La Princesse is a masterpiece of engineering created by French performance art company La Machine. This machine moves with 50 axes of hydraulic movement, requiring a large crew to bring it to life. During the 2008 Liverpool European Capital of Culture celebrations, thousands of spectators watched in awe as this colossal arachnid roamed the streets, blending cutting-edge mechanics with pure artistic expression. But how did a single performance manage to turn ordinary streets into a full-scale theatrical universe, complete with characters, conflict, music, and jaw-dropping stunts that felt almost too spectacular to be real? Well, the La Princesse debuted by clinging to the side of the abandoned concourse house near Lime Street Station, then roamed Liverpool for 5 days across landmarks like the Royal Albert Dock, Castle Street, and the Echo Arena. A fictional scientist character gave in-story press briefings. A live band followed the spider on forklifts and cherry pickers, and massive effects like smoke, snow, flame cannons, water blasts, fireworks created a cinematic battle between the city and the creature. Behind it all, 16 cranes, 8 cherry pickers, 6 forklifts, and a 250-person crew orchestrated a moving citywide stage that transformed Liverpool into a once-in-a-lifetime immersive spectacle. 6. Belaz 75710 Dump Truck. The Belaz 75710 dump truck from Belarus holds the world record as the largest and most powerful dump truck ever constructed. This machine stretches over 20 meters long and can carry a payload of 450 tons. Powered by dual 16-cylinder diesel engines producing 4,600 horsepower, this machine drives 4 electric motors that generate absolutely massive torque. But here's what's truly incredible. Despite weighing hundreds of tons when fully loaded, this monster can still reach speeds of 64 kilometers per hour. Operating in the harshest mining conditions on Earth, the Belaz 75710 represents the cutting edge of heavy vehicle engineering, employing advanced high-strength steels and sophisticated weight distribution systems that keep it moving when other machines would simply collapse under the pressure. 5. The Overburden Conveyor Bridge, F60. Measuring 502 meters long, 80 meters high, and 240 meters wide, the F60 conveyor bridge weighs approximately 13,600 tons, making it one of the largest movable industrial machines in Europe, possibly the entire world. Built between 1969 and 1972 for Germany's Lusatian coalfields, this horizontal giant transports overburdened soil at open-pit lignite mines. Here's the mind-blowing part. This mechanical colossus can move up to 29,000 cubic meters of earth per hour, using 27,000 kilowatts of power. And despite its titanic scale and complexity, it requires a crew of just 14 people to operate. Before we reveal our top 4 machines, if you're loving these engineering marvels, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next, because these next machines, they get even more unbelievable. 4. Big Bertha Tunnel Boring Machine. The Big Bertha measures 57.5 feet in diameter and can tunnel through solid rock beneath densely populated cities, while the people above go about their daily lives completely unaware of the machine working below their feet. At the time of its construction, it was the world's largest tunnel boring machine ever built. Manufactured by Hitachi Zosen Corporation in Japan and delivered in 2013, this earth pressure balanced tunnel boring machine was commissioned by Seattle Tunnel Partners to dig the SR-99 Alaskan Way Viaduct Replacement Tunnel in Seattle, Washington. Using massive rotating cutting heads equipped with disc cutters, this subterranean machine can tunnel through rock, soil, and mixed geology, while simultaneously installing concrete tunnel segments behind it, creating finished tunnels as it moves forward. What makes Big Bertha truly revolutionary is its ability to work beneath densely populated cities without causing surface disruption, protecting existing infrastructure while creating vital transportation corridors. But with all this power and precision, why was the world's largest tunnel-boring machine given such an unusual name, and what story hides behind it? Well, this is because Big Bertha is named after Bertha Knight Lance, Seattle's first female mayor, a pioneering leader whose legacy of strength and progress mirrors the massive engineering project this machine helped bring to life. What makes Big Bertha truly revolutionary is its ability to work beneath densely populated cities without causing surface disruption, protecting existing infrastructure while creating vital transportation corridors. It's not just drilling holes, it's reshaping the underground landscape of modern cities. 3. Bagger 293 Bucket Wheel Excavator. If you think you've seen big machines, you haven't seen anything yet. Built by German industrial giant Krupp in 1995, the Bagger 293 is one of the largest land vehicles ever constructed by human hands. It is 96 meters tall, 225 meters long, weighing 14,200 tons. This bucket wheel excavator's massive rotating wheel is 21.6 meters in diameter. It continuously scoops up earth at a rate of up to 240,000 cubic meters per day. Primarily designed for strip mining lignite coal, the Bagger 293's conveyor system can integrate into multi-kilometer mining conveyor networks, transporting excavated material with unprecedented efficiency. To put its size in perspective, this machine is so large that it requires 5 people just to operate it, and it moves at a glacial 0.6 kilometers per hour. Now here's something fascinating that most people don't realize about these massive European machines. Many of them were built during periods of intense economic pressure or post-war reconstruction. The F-60 conveyor bridge, built in East Germany when the country desperately needed energy independence. The Bagger 293, constructed when Germany was transitioning its energy infrastructure. These weren't just engineering projects. They were statements of resilience, innovation, and the refusal to be limited by circumstances. What's truly remarkable is that European engineers didn't just build these machines to be functional, they built them to last generations and to be the absolute best in the world. We're down to the final 2 machines, and trust me, these are going to blow your mind. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button now because these last 2 machines are absolutely legendary. 2. Antonov An-225 Imraya. The Antonov An-225 Imraya is the world's largest cargo airplane and an absolute legend of European aerospace engineering. With an 88.4-meter wingspan and powered by 6 turbofan engines, this Ukrainian-built giant was originally developed to transport Soviet space shuttle components on its back. The An-225 can reach maximum speeds of 850 kilometers per hour with a range of 15,400 kilometers, making it capable of moving oversized payloads across continents. We're talking about wind turbine blades, entire locomotives, emergency power generators, and humanitarian aid that no other aircraft could transport. Tragically, the only completed An-225 was destroyed during the Russian invasion of Ukraine in 2022. But its legacy as the pinnacle of cargo aviation will live on forever. 1. The Large Hadron Collider. Buried 175 meters beneath the Franco-Swiss border near Geneva, lies the most ambitious scientific instrument ever constructed by humankind. The Large Hadron Collider. This isn't just the largest machine in Europe. It's the largest scientific experiment in human history. Stretching 27 kilometers in circumference, this underground ring of superconducting magnets accelerates particles to 99.9999991%, the speed of light before smashing them together. Built by CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, the LHC achieves collision energies up to 13 tera-electron volts. To put that in perspective, that's energy levels that haven't existed in our universe since microseconds after the Big Bang. In 2012, the LHC made history by discovering the Higgs boson, the fundamental particle that gives mass to everything in the universe. This discovery confirmed theories that had existed for 50 years and fundamentally changed our understanding of reality itself. The engineering required to build the LHC is staggering. Superconducting magnets cooled to minus 271.3 degrees Celsius, which is colder than outer space. Vacuum systems maintaining pressures 10 times lower than the moon's surface, and computing systems processing petabytes of data from billions of particle collisions. The Large Hadron Collider represents the absolute peak of European scientific collaboration and engineering excellence. 23 member countries, thousands of scientists, decades of planning, all to answer humanity's most fundamental questions about the nature of existence itself. So which of these incredible machines impressed you the most? Was it the colossal Bagger 293 or the Large Hadron Collider? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our next mind-blowing countdown.